Can I ask you a quick question? You ever actually sat down and calculated what your retirement income will be after taxes? Not what you've saved, but what you'll actually live on monthly. Most people haven't, and when they do, they realize something uncomfortable. There's a gap. Let me ask you, if you were short $2,000 a month in retirement, where would that come from? Would you go back to work? Cut your lifestyle? Rely on family? Or would you rather fix it now while you still have time? Most people are doing what they've been told. Save into a 401k, trust the market, hope it works out. But let me ask you this. Has anyone ever shown you how much income that actually produces? Even with a pension, after taxes, most people take a 30 to 40% pay cut. Does that surprise you? That happened to you? How would that affect your lifestyle, your stress levels, your family? Would that be a problem worth solving? The real issue isn't just saving, it's how your money is structured. Because most people are exposed to market losses, paying taxes later, and hoping for average returns. If your money drops 50%, it needs 100% to recover. Now, let me ask you, how confident are you that your current plan can handle that? What if there was a way to grow your money without market losses and access it tax-free in retirement? Would you at least want to see how that works? This is where the indexed strategy comes in, specifically something called a LASER fund, liquid assets safely earning returns. It's designed to protect your principal, grow tax-advantaged, provide tax-free income, and give you access while you're alive. If you could create predictable income with no market losses, how would that change the way you feel about retirement? Now here's the thing. I don't know your exact situation yet, and I wouldn't want to guess. So I created something simple. A quick 2 to 3 minute financial readiness quiz that helps identify your current position, your risks, and your potential gaps. This is the same process I use with clients to understand your income, your savings, your family situation, your goals. Then, if it makes sense, we schedule a short strategy session where we look at your income gap, what's working, what's not, and how to improve it. So let me ask you, would it make sense to take 2 to 3 minutes to find out where you stand? And if there's a gap, at least you'll know how to fix it. This video was created by Jeremy James Stewart, licensed life and health insurance producer. DIPR hash 17,153,009. This is for educational purposes only and not tax advice. To get your personalized retirement income gap analysis, call or text to 48798-8869 or visit pension-review.cc. Thank you for your time. God bless you and your family.